Riya's Retro. Only on Gaana.
कितना डांटेंगे आप मुझे। रियाज रेट्रो पर आज मैं वापस आई हूँ 2-2.5 हफ्ते के एक ब्रेक के बाद। गई थी, घूम घाम के आ गई और ट्विटर पे आपकी डांट खाती रही। बहुत प्यार भरी डांट थी, इसलिए मैंने बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं माना। मैं तो इधर थी, उधर थी, देश के अंदर थी, देश के बाहर थी। ट्विटर में आपने हमेशा साथ बनाए रखा, हाथ बढ़ाए रखा, विच इज़ वॉट आई ऑलवेज फाइंड एब्सोल्युटली मैजिकल अबाउट दिस रिलेशनशिप। 4 जुलाई को मिस्टर M.M. Cream, M.M. Keeravani, one of our most amazing music composers of our times, उनका जन्मदिन। हैप्पी बर्थडे मिस्टर क्रीम। और रियाज रेट्रो सुनने वालों को तो ऑलरेडी मालूम है कि मैं पिछले 1-1.5 महीने में मिस्टर क्रीम के कंपोजिंग रूम में कई बार आके बैठ चुकी हूँ और मेरा ये प्रिविलेज रहा है कि उनके साथ बैठ के काम करूँ। और 4 जुलाई को उनका जन्मदिन है, 5 जुलाई को ये शो आप सुन रहे हैं। और मिस्टर क्रीम, वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Thank you very much, Riyaji.
We are very glad you were
It's a
born.
privilege. It's a privilege meeting you and sharing my most favorite songs with you.
Absolutely, sir. That is what we are going to do. A little birthday treat, जो हमारे listeners के लिए बहुत बड़ा birthday treat हो जाएगा.
It's a treat for me also.
But
I want you to please play my favorite songs, my special songs, my nostalgic memories on your show.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But before that, we who love you and love your music have something to say to you. तुम आए तो मुझे याद आया कि गली में आज जाने के लिए।
Thank you. Thank you very much.
गाना पर मैं हूँ रिया, ये है रियाज रेट्रो। आज है एक नया एपिसोड। मेरे साथ एक गेस्ट हैं मिस्टर MM क्रीम, द सिंगर, द कंपोजर, द म्यूज़िक लेजेंड। उनके साथ में उनके म्यूज़िक रूम में बैठी एक पेटी थी, एक हारमोनियम, वो थे, गीत थे, बातें थी, हंसी थी, खुशी थी।
Riya's Retro. Only on Ghana.
So your birthday list is ready, sir, Mr. Cream?
Yeah, I would like to play this song for me.
Yes.
This is composed by the great Sudhir Phadke. I like his music very much. I am very devoted भक्त कह सकते हैं। सुधीर फड़के साहब ने कंपोज किया है ये ज्योति कलश झलके।
ब्यूटीफुल।
लता जी का।
ज्योति कलश छलके, ज्योति कलश छलके, वे गुलाबी लाल सुनहरे रंग दल बादल के, ज्योति कलश छलके। करती ज्योति अमृत से सिंचन, मंगल घट ढल के, मंगल घट ढल के, ज्योति कलश छलके। सपने कल के, सच सपने कल के, ज्योति कलश छलके। उषा ने आंचल फैलाया, फैली सुख की शीतल छाया, नीचे आंचल के, नीचे आंचल के, ज्योति कलश छलके।
ज्योति कलश छलके, पंडित नरेंद्र शर्मा's lyrics, and such a difficult song, no sir?
Yeah.
And Lata ji just makes it sound so
excellent,
fluid.
Excellent. By the way, there is a version where Phadke Saab himself rendered the song.
Oh.
But I like Lata ji's version a lot. By the way, Riya ji, apart from Lata Mangeshkar, there were many great singers of those times.
Yes.
But song by song, bit by bit, and year after year, I was exploring and it was unveiling the great treasure of the voices. So in that process, I came across this beautiful song, Malik Tere Jahan Mein, rendered by Sudha Malhotra ji. What a great voice. Very, very pure and very innocent.
Yes.
I like the song very much.
Very much.
From
beautiful.
Ab Dilli Dur Nahi.
Ji. So let's listen to that.
जहां में, कितने बड़े जहां में, कोई नहीं हमारा, कोई नहीं हमारा, मालिक तेरे जहां में। अब किसके द्वार जाऊं, दुख में किसे बुलाऊं, सब कर गए किनारा, कोई नहीं हमारा, मालिक तेरे जहां में। दुनिया ना आस ना दिलासा, सबको है एक तमाशा, झूठा है हर सहारा, कोई नहीं हमारा, मालिक तेरे जहां में। क्या रात क्या सवेरा, हाथों पहर अंधेरा, टूटा हर एक तारा, कोई नहीं हमारा, मालिक तेरे जहां में, कितने बड़े जहां में, कोई नहीं हमारा, कोई नहीं हमारा, मालिक तेरे जहां में।
मालिक तेरे जहां में फ्रॉम अब दिल्ली दूर नहीं. That was Mr. M.M. Cream's request on his birthday.
Ria's Retro. Only on Ghana.
तो क्रीम सर, what next?
Riya ji, did it ever occur to you to wonder what's the best thing to while falling in love with somebody, to whom, with whom you want to fall in love? With a scientist, with a doctor, with an excellent singer like Lata ji herself, with someone who cooks very beautiful recipes, or with a sports person, with a pilot. If you ask me, I say it's best to fall in love with a ghost.
A ghost?
A ghost.
Why?
Because the ghost is supernatural, superhuman, it's above us all. A ghost is much superior than a human being. You may call me crazy, but why I'm telling you this, coming back to Lata ji, there is a song sung by Lata ji from Mera Saya. Madan Mohan ji is my all-time favorite composer. Mera Saya Saath Hoga. It's a great song, greatest song. Very, very, very. I mean, I lost the count how many times I listened to the song.
Right.
तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा, तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया, मेरा साया, मेरा साया, मेरा साया. You know, I went on a holiday with my family and stayed in Udaipur Palace.
Okay.
And later, when I was watching the video of this song, I realized that it was shot in the same palace.
Yes, that's
Udaipur
right.
Palace.
Yes.
So I was connecting to the song once again very strangely. The only sad part was I never come across with the ghost part. Maybe the ghost is within my heart itself.
Yes.
So every day I meet the ghost in my mind, in my imagination, and in my heart.
Yes.
I want you to meet the ghost.
We will play the ghost song.
तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा. तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा. मेरा साया, मेरा साया, मेरा साया, मेरा साया. कभी मुझको याद करके जो बहेंगे तेरे आंसू. कभी मुझको याद करके जो बहेंगे तेरे आंसू. तो वहीं पे रोक लेंगे उन्हें आके मेरे आंसू. तू जिधर का रुख करेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा. तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा. मेरा साया, मेरा साया, मेरा साया, मेरा साया. तू अगर उदास होगा तो उदास होंगी मैं भी. तू अगर उदास होगा तो उदास होंगी मैं भी. नजर आऊं या ना तेरे पास हूँगी मैं भी. तू कहीं भी जा रहेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा. तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा. मेरा साया, मेरा साया, मेरा साया, मेरा साया. जो मुड़ के देख लेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा गम रहा है शामिल तेरे दुख में तेरे गम में मेरा गम रहा है शामिल तेरे दुख में तेरे गम में मेरे प्यार ने दिया है तेरा साथ हर जन्म में तू कोई जन्म भी लेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा मेरा साया 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 मेरा साया
Sir, Mr. Cream, your birthday we are celebrating on Riya's Retro. And now for the next segment, हमें नाम बदलना पड़ेगा शो का. It's not so retro. Riya's not so retro. Because of you, I'm coming up to 2003. I'm cheating my own show and breaking my own rules. That's the fun of making rules, no, sir, that you can break them.
Is the song worth it?
Completely. Why else would I break
And may I
them?
know what's the song?
It's a song by you from a film called Jism,
Oh,
called Avarapan, Banjarapan.
Avarapan, Banjarapan.
Tell us something about the making of this song.
Saeed Khadri साहब ने लिखा है.
जी.
KK sang one version, I remember, and I too sang few verses.
Yes.
Because he wrote many verses, we liked all of them. So we made the song into 2-3 versions, and I remember singing one version out. I like all the versions, and Avarapan, Banjarapan leaves me in depression whenever I listen to the song, because it has got a very intense philosophy.
And a very melancholic feel.
Yeah, lyrically.
Yes. But I remember my association with this song is FM had just about started to get privatized in India at that time.
Oh.
Before this, it was all India radio. Private FM came in the early 2000, in 2000. And everywhere we had very high energy hit songs because we were copying the format of FM in the West.
Yeah.
You play big popular hit songs, Ishkamina type songs. And this song broke every rule of playing fast hit songs, but it was so huge that we just had to play it. और आप जो कह रहे हैं इसको सुन के कुछ होता है दिल में. Something heavy sits in the heart. And we used to play it 5 times a day, 6 times a day, because it was so huge.
If you call this an achievement or privilege, in front of something I am going to share now, it's nothing. None other than Ghulam Ali Saab and Jagjit Singh Saab. We were all sharing a stage in Dubai.
Right.
In 2004, I remember.
Right.
So, in the end of the show, I sang this song.
Wow.
Avarapan, and Ghulam Ali Saab, Jagjit Singh Saab, he was accompanying on harmonium.
Wow.
So that's the greatest honor I could ever imagine.
Amazing.
So they all loved this song, and they were very kind, they were very friendly. That was the very much memorable night for me.
Must be.
Chitra Singh ji, she was there.
Wonderful.
Abida Parveen.
Ji.
Open Air Saab.
Ji.
So we all shared very intimate things, memories, what trivias, what not.
Wonderful.
Apart from food hosted by the company. That was a very great night.
Please sing a bit of the song, sir.
Avarapan, बंजारापन एक हला है सीने में रे ताना नाना तार रे रा तारे रा आवारापन बंजारापन एक खला है सीने में हरदम हर पल बेचैनी है कौन बला है सीने में दिल जिस चीज को हाँ कहता है ज़हन उसी को कहता है ना दिल जिस चीज को हाँ कहता है ज़हन उसी को कहता है ना इश्क में उफ ये खुद ही से लड़ना एक सजा है सीने में आवारापन बंजारापन एक खला है सीने में खंजर से हाथों पे लकीरें कोई भला क्या लिख पाया खंजर से हाथों पे लकीरें कोई भला क्या लिख पाया हमने मगर एक पागलपन में खुद को छला है सीने में आवारापन बंजारापन एक खला है सीने में
What a beautiful song and haunting. हमेशा इस गाने को सुनकर कुछ होता है.
Riya's Retro. Only on Ghana.
आज रियाज रेट्रो में हम मना रहे हैं मिस्टर क्रीम का बर्थडे उन्हीं से बात करके और उन्हीं के पसंदीदा गाने सुनकर पर बीच बीच में मैं रिया वो गाने लगा रही हूँ जो मुझे ख़ास पसंद है उनका बनाया हुआ उनका गाया हुआ. How does it feel, sir, to hear your own songs on the radio and television? Do you criticize yourself or do you enjoy it?
Criticize?
Sometimes some people have that, na? They don't like listening to themselves.
No. See, being able to listen my own compositions or my own the songs which I sang on the radio is the biggest thrill I can ever imagine.
How lovely.
I enjoyed more than watching it on TV
Oh, that's nice.
because radio has been the part of myself, my life.
Right.
My entire life was music career and my musical input, my musical taste, everything was built upon the radio.
Right.
Radio is like the second me,
How
second
wonderful,
myself.
How wonderful. But I've noticed you're very tech savvy. You'll pull up a keyboard on your iPad and you will quickly work out the software on which the voice recording has happened. You keep up with changing technology very easily.
Yeah, because we need to be in the race, but I don't really enjoy with these gadgets.
Right.
Only to be able to, keep pace with other things.
Right.
I like radio, I like the old vinyl records.
Yes. You like your harmonium.
I like harmonium.
But if you don't have an harmonium, you can pull up a keyboard on your iPad.
Yeah,
Yes.
of course. I have a story to tell you.
Yes, sir.
When I was 10, I studied in Kakinada.
Okay.
Kakinada is on the seashore, on the same line, Kolkata and Visakhapatnam.
Okay.
There is this party called Pranalingam Kacheri party.
Okay.
Pranalingam was the organizer, and
Right.
he played the accordion. The batch, the music batch, consists adults.
Okay.
The guitarists, the singers, everybody were adults.
Right.
Only myself, I was 10 years kid.
Oh.
So I played violin.
Oh, yes, of course.
I went to places, many places. We did lots of shows.
Right.
So I only played violin, and I only played one song.
Okay.
I never played violin in the other songs.
Okay.
It was completely my song, completely instrumental, just one song being performed by a kid, 10-year-old kid.
Okay.
Especially they announced and they asked me to play the song. And Talia bajao. And always it's the same song.
Which one?
Many shows, I don't know how many shows. Ek Pyar Ka Nagama Hai,
Oh.
from the film Shore. But the funniest part is,
Yes.
apart from getting Talia every time I play the song, I like the song very much, thinking that it's my own song. You know why?
Why?
My mother tongue is not Hindi. I can understand Hindi now at least. But when I was 10, total
Nothing.
Hindi zero.
Zero.
So, Ek Pyar Ka Nagama Hai. What's the meaning? As a lyricist, you write beautiful lyrics. You tell me
Thank you,
the
sir.
meaning.
There is a song of love.
Okay. Mauzon ki.
Ravani.
What is Ravani?
So Ravani is like the best way to describe it would be the aliveness of something. So मौजों की रवानी है, the waves,
Okay.
the life of the waves.
But I used to think that is Mauzon ki Ravani hai.
Kiro. That is an amazing story, sir. मौजों की रवानी
So
है.
Kirvani, she says Kirvani, so it's my song.
Of course, she sang
Yes.
about you.
Yeah, so that's how I related myself.
Please, can we hear 2 lines of your Kirwani song?
But I better listen in
Lataji's
Lataji's voice.
Okay, sir.
भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है।
जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है। धार है नदिया की, मैं तेरा किनारा हूँ,
तू मेरा सहारा है, मैं तेरा सहारा हूँ, आँखों में समंदर है, आशाओं का पानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है,
एक प्यार का नगमा है। तूफान को आना है, आकर चले जाना है, बादल है ये कुछ पल का, छाकर ढले जाना है, परछाइयाँ रह जाती निशानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है।
MM क्रीम साहब का बर्थडे मना रहे हैं आज हम रियाज रेट्रो पर, उनके साथ उनके म्यूजिक रूम में बैठे हैं, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। एक प्यार का नगमा है विच यू यूज टू प्ले ऑन अ वायलिन as a 10-year-old and think it is about you.
Yeah.
Also has a violin, right?
Yeah, of course.
Did Lakshmikant ji play or pyar?
Ra, 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 that beat song.
Right. Maybe that's why you learnt it?
Maybe, I don't. They made me play the song because I didn't have any option. Choice to select which song to play. Pranalingam Garu used to tell me.
And the violin in the beginning is beautiful.
Yeah.
But sir, you're only favoring the ladies. Sudha ji, Lata ji. The men are feeling neglected.
I never thought so. It's only a coincidence. But let me ask you for one more song
Okay.
on my birthday.
Yes.
When I went to a nature cure center, I was there for 15 days, and morning walk and evening walk, they were mandatory.
Right.
So to kill the boredom, I used to wear headphones and listen to songs just like anyone else. One particular song, when I was listening to the song, this was very recently. Since now that I know I can understand Hindi, I tried to listen to the song comprehending the meaning.
Right.
So it made me suddenly lose something.
What?
What did I lose? See, people constantly fear. They have fear of payments, dues, fear of diseases, fear of accidents, fear of this, that. So many fears we carry. We are constantly fearing something or other.
Absolutely.
But the biggest fear is the fear of death.
Yes.
Suddenly, I felt like I'm not fearing death anymore.
Wow.
This particular song.
Which one, sir?
I'll sing it for you.
Okay.
आदमी मुसाफिर है,
Wow.
आता है जाता है, आते जाते रास्ते में यादें छोड़ जाता है. टंग 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 टंग. आदमी मुसाफिर है. You think I'm right?
Absolutely. Sir.
After listening to this song,
Absolutely.
I completely, it's like getting away from some big burden. After all, what? When we depart, let our memories be here. There's nothing to carry.
आदमी मुसाफिर है, आता है जाता है, आते जाते रास्ते में यादें छोड़ जाता है.
आदमी मुसाफिर है, आता है जाता है, आते जाते रास्ते में यादें छोड़ जाता है.
आदमी मुसाफिर याद आता है।
आदमी मुसाफिर है, आता है जाता है,
आते जाते रास्ते में यादें छोड़ जाता है। जब डोलती है जीवन की नैया,
जब डोलती है जीवन की नैया,
कोई तो बन जाता है खिवैया।
कोई तो बन जाता है खिवैया, कोई किनारे पे ही डूब जाता है।
आदमी मुसाफिर है, आता है जाता है।
आते जाते रास्ते में यादें छोड़ जाता है।
आदमी मुसाफिर है, आता है जाता है। आते जाते रास्ते में यादें छोड़ जाता है, यादें छोड़ जाता है, यादें छोड़ जाता है।
Sir, that's the power of beautiful words. Power
Bye.
of words.
Yeah.
Anand Bakshi Saab.
Bachi Saab. Again, see, Bachi Saab is my favorite lyric writer.
Yes, and connects with you. and
Apart from Gulzar Saab, of course.
Right. You have worked with Bakshi Saab, I know.
Yeah, I was very fortunate enough to work with both of them.
Yes. Paheli.
Gulzar Saab, Paheli, yeah.
Yes.
Speaking of Gulzar Saab,
Yes.
one beautiful gem of a song, my all-time favorite song, I want to mention, and I want you to play the song.
जी.
दो नैनों एक कहानी, थोड़ा सा बादल, थोड़ा सा पानी, और एक कहानी। दो नैनों एक कहानी। What a song.
What a song. Aarti Mukherjee's voice.
Aarti Mukherjee.
Very big in Bengal. Only one or two songs in.
Very simple melody. That's the power of R.D. Burman.
Yes.
Very simple yet very powerful.
Because it's in the film, it's a lullaby.
Yeah. R.D. Burman Saab, though he experimented a lot, but nobody is as simple as him. Because look at the antara. Ta-ra-re-ta, ta-ra-re-re, ta-re, ta-ra-re, oh, ta-na-ni-na, ta-ra-re-re, ta-re, te-ra-ra. That's it.
Beautiful.
But it carries an ocean of feelings.
Yes.
Very simple antara, it carries an ocean. It has an ocean of expression in it.
Right.
Hats off to R.D. Burman Saab and Gulzar Saab.
Absolutely. सुनते हैं?
Please.
दो नैना कहानी छोटी सी दो झीलों में वो बहती रहती है। ओ छोटी सी दो झीलों में वो बहती रहती है। कोई सुने या ना सुने कहती रहती है। कुछ लिख के और कुछ जुबानी, ओ थोड़ा सा बादल थोड़ा सा पानी और एक कहानी। दो नैना एक कहानी। थोड़ी सी है जानी हुई, थोड़ी सी नहीं। तो थोड़ी सी है जानी हुई, थोड़ी सी नहीं। जहाँ रुके आंसू वहीं पूरी हो गई। है तो नहीं फिर भी है पुरानी। ओ थोड़ा सा बादल थोड़ा सा पानी और एक कहानी। दो नैना एक कहानी। कि खत्म हो तो दूसरी रात आ जाती है। ओ एक खत्म हो तो दूसरी रात आ जाती है। होठों पे फिर भूली हुई बात आ जाती है। दो नैनों की है ये कहानी। ओ थोड़ा सा बादल थोड़ा सा पानी और एक कहानी। दो नैना एक कहानी।
Sir, there is another song of yours, my turn now.
Okay.
I have to play one of your songs for your birthday. वैसे जो लोग गाने सुनते सुनते खो गए हैं उनको याद दिला दूँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं MM कीरवानी यानी कि MM क्रीम साहब के साथ। उनका जन्मदिन होता है 4 जुलाई को, अमेरिका's Independence Day.
Yeah, of
Does
course,
does a
yeah.
birthday feel like an Independence Day to you also?
American independence, yeah, that's right.
Right. What do you do on your birthdays वैसे? What is the plan normally?
I stay home
Okay.
mostly. I spend time with my wife and children.
Right. And good home food.
Good home food तो हमेशा रहता है.
I have eaten at your home. The food is spectacular.
but not on my birthday. I stay home means I go out with them.
Right, of course. When we were growing up, when we were in school, college, there was another phenomenal hit.
Yeah.
I mean, that time these digital music apps, etc., weren't there. People didn't have music on their mobile phones. But you could hear this song everywhere, from shops, from tea stalls, from presswalas, from radios, from television.
Yeah.
Movie called Criminal.
Yeah.
Song called Tu Mile Dil Khile. Tell me something about making this song.
So initially, Tu Mile Dil Khile tune was made like Tu Mile Dil Khile और जीने को क्या चाहिए. That was the graph. But Kumar Sanu ji came to my recording studio in Chennai and suggested one thing before going for take. He suggested instead of having Tu Mile Dil Khile और जीने को क्या चाहिए. So that was the tune. Now he suggested something like this. Tu mile dil khile. So initially I didn't like the idea. So there was a big argument and big confusion. There was a big delay in recording. But he was insisting. Sanu ji was insisting a lot.
Really?
Yeah. He's like that because whatever he believes the best, he wants to impose on others. So there's nothing wrong in it. But ultimately it is my tune, no? So I also wanted to respect my singer and his feelings. So I came up with this solution like this. Tu Mile should be
your way,
the original way. Dil Khile should be
his
Kumar Sanu way. Only Dil Khile.
So
that happened to be Tu Mile Dil Khile. Or
Perfect hybrid.
You can clearly see his touch in the Dil Khile vibrato.
Yes.
Dil Khile, because he gives the vibrato a lot.
Yes, that is true.
But ultimately it became very popular.
Huge hit.
By the way, I take this opportunity to thank my good old friend Kumar Sanu also for his valuable contribution.
तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए. तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए. ना हो तू उदास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूँगा जिंदगी भर. ना हो तू उदास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूँगा जिंदगी भर. सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझी में पाया. तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए. हाँ तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए. चंदा तुझे देखने इतनी हंसी कोई नहीं, इतनी हंसी कोई नहीं, हुस्न दोनों जहां का एक तुझ में सिमट के आया। तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए।
Darling, every breath you take, every move you make, I will be there with you. What would I do without you? I want to love you forever and ever and ever. प्यार कभी हो मरता नहीं, हम तुम मरते हैं, होते हैं वो लोग अमर, प्यार जो करते हैं। जितनी यादा उतनी वफा, जितनी यादा उतनी वफा, एक नजर प्यार से देख लो, फिर से जिंदा कर दो। तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए।
हाँ तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए।
ना हो तो उदास, तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगी जिंदगी भर।
ना हो तू उदास, तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगा जिंदगी भर। सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझी में पाया। तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए।
रियाज रेट्रो पर आज मैं हूँ MM क्रीम जी के साथ। उनका जन्मदिन 4 जुलाई यानी कि अमेरिका का इंडिपेंडेंस डे, और आज हम उनके पसंदीदा गाने सुन रहे हैं और मेरे पसंदीदा गाने उनके बनाए हुए। सर, आई हैव प्लेड माय सॉन्ग सर,
Yeah.
योर टर्न।
Yeah. Riyaji, in films we see that the hero is sometimes he will be walking on streets or meadows or somewhere in a forest,
Right.
and suddenly he will listen to a female humming,
Like women.
and he is going here and there, running all around, trying to find out where is the source, because falling in love with the melody from in the first instance.
Right.
That's a little over dramatic and what do you call? There's exaggerating a character.
Right.
But that really happened to myself.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Only once it happened.
Right.
We went on a kitty party somewhere outside in a farmhouse in Hyderabad. Like I said, there were meadows and there were gardens.
Right.
I was chatting with my brother-in-law sitting in one corner. And the kitchen in that farmhouse was situated completely separate. Some boy doesn't even have a taste for music. They lied a CD, a compilation of Ashaji's songs,
Right.
hit songs. So he was playing the CD. Suddenly one song emerged,
Right.
far apart. After initial mukhada, as and when the song progressed, I was not listening to my brother-in-law. My attention was there.
Right.
So I ran to the kitchen because I didn't know whether it's coming from radio or CD or what. So I took the CD cover and found out the details of the song.
Right.
I'll just hum the song for you. Tarari ra ra, tare re ra, tare ra re, tare re, tara tari ra ra, re tara re ra, re ra re ta, re ra re ra. कभी रात मिले.
ये रात
Great melody, greatest melody. What a melody.
O.P. Nayyar साहब.
O.P. Nayyar साहब. It's divine and like I said before, it's above human. It's superhuman.
Right.
It's paranormal.
यही वो जगह है, यही वो फिजाएं, यही पर कभी आप हमसे मिले थे. यही वो जगह है, यही वो फिजाएं, यही पर कभी आप हमसे मिले थे. इन्हीं हम भला किस तरह भूल जाए, यही पर कभी आप हमसे मिले थे.
यही वो जगह है. फिल्म ये रात फिर नहीं आएगी. कंपोजर O.P. नैयर, लिरिसिस्ट S.H. बिहारी.
Riya's Retro. Only on Ghana.
Sir, O.P. Nayyar sahab also made Asha ji sing songs that people typically wouldn't have given her. The softer songs, the philosophic songs,
Okay.
the gentler songs that many others would typically, they did that division, right, between Lata ji and Asha ji.
Sometimes, unfortunately, some artists are popular for their mediocre work than the best work.
Right.
I am also one among them. I am no exception. My mediocre work is hit. My best work is either it is lying in the racks,
Oh God.
it's not at all released,
Oh God.
or it is not a hit. I mean, the movie is not a hit.
Right.
If the movie is not a hit, songs are not hit. That's a very unfortunate condition.
Absolutely, very sad.
I hope this scenario will change.
Hope so.
Okay. If I'm not asking for too much, I will ask for 2 more songs, Riyaji, in your retro show.
Sir, it's your birthday and it's my privilege to play your songs. Which
So I will ask for 2 songs.
Yes, sir.
The one song which I would like to listen to on my deathbed.
Oh,
No one knows how God is going to take us back. So if at all I have the privilege of dying slowly on a deathbed, on a bedridden way, in an ICU or somewhere like that, because I will be clearly knowing that, okay, my time has come that I am going to exit. Then I'd like to play this song.
which one, sir?
That is Kaun Aaya Mare Man Ke Dware.
Oh,
You know the details.
why, sir?
That's the personal sentiment. Okay. I have my own personal reasons for that.
Right.
It is strongly associated with someone I love.
Okay.
And the other one, if I am asked to pick up the only one best song I like among the entire Hindi songs composed by every composer, right from the pre-independence to 2017, just pick one song.
Right.
That song will be देखी जमाने की यारी बिछड़े सभी बारे बारे बिछड़े सभी बारे बारे
ज़माने की यारी बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी अरे देखे ज़माने की यारी बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी क्या लेके मिले अब दुनिया से आंसू के सिवा कुछ पास नहीं आ फूल ही फूल थे दामन में या कांटों की भी आस नहीं मतलब की दुनिया है सारी बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी अरे देखे ज़माने की यारी बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी आरज़ू है जवां, फिक्र कल की करें, इतनी फुर्सत कहाँ। वक्त है मेहरबां, आरज़ू है जवां, फिक्र कल की करें, इतनी फुर्सत कहाँ। रात भर मेहमां है बहारें यहाँ, रात गल ढल गई फिर ये खुशियाँ कहाँ। रात भर मेहमां है बहारें यहाँ, रात गल ढल गई फिर ये खुशियाँ कहाँ। पल भर की खुशियाँ हैं सारी, पल भर की खुशियाँ हैं सारी, पल भर की खुशियाँ हैं सारी। बढ़ने लगी, बढ़ने लगी बेकरारी, अरे पल भर की खुशियाँ हैं सारी, बढ़ने लगी बेकरारी, बढ़ने लगी बेकरारी। उड़ जा प्यासे भंवरे, रस न मिलेगा खारों में, कागज के फूल जहाँ खिलते हैं, बैठ न उन गुलजारों में, नादान तमन्ना रेती में, उम्मीद की कश्ती खेती है, एक हाथ से देती है दुनिया, 100 हाथों से ले लेती है। ये खेल है कब से जारी, बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी, अरे देखी जमाने की यारी, बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी, क्या अब दुनिया के आंसू के सिवा कुछ पास नहीं, फूल ही फूल थे दामन में, या कांटों की भी आस नहीं। मतलब की दुनिया है सारी, बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी। अरे देखी जमाने की यारी, बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी, बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी। कौन आया, कौन आया, कौन आया मेरे मन के द्वारे, पायल की झनकार लिए। कौन आया मेरे मन के द्वारे, पायल की झनकार लिए। कौन आया, न जाने दिल पहचाने, आँख न जाने दिल पहचाने, सूरतिया कुछ ऐसी, आँख न जाने दिल पहचाने, सूरतिया कुछ ऐसी। याद करूं तो याद न आए, मूर्तिया ये कैसी। पागल मनवा सोच में डूबा, सपनों का संसार लिए। कौन आया मेरे मन के द्वारे, पायल की झनकार लिए। कौन आया, एक पल सोचूं मेरी आशा, रूप बदल कर आई। एक पल सोचूं मेरी आशा, रूप बदल कर आई। दूजे पल फिर ध्यान ये आए, हो न कहीं परछाई। जो परदेसी के घर आई, एक अनोखा प्यार लिए। कौन आया मेरे मन के द्वारे, पायल की झनकार लिए। कौन आया।
एम क्रीम साहब, आपका बर्थडे जश्न यहाँ रियाज रेट्रो पे मन रहा है गाना पर। ये हमारी खुशनसीबी है। वी आर प्रिविलेज्ड टू हैव बीन able to play some of your favorite Hindi retro songs.
Thank you very much for that.
And you have picked such amazing songs, hum them for us. You've spoken about death on your birthday. But
of course,
that is normal.
That's normal.
Yes.
Nobody is immortal.
Yes. And these last two songs, Kaun Aaya Mere Man Ke Dware and Dekhi Zamane Ki Yaari, just takes you to a very silent place. And I want to therefore end with one of your songs which says Chup Tum Raho. चुप हम रहें.
Okay, since you are wishing for that, I have something comedy happened while composing Chup Tum Raho. That's Is Raat Ki Subah Nahi. So I was in Chennai and Nida Fazli Saab came all the way from Mumbai and he entered my studio, AVM studio, and he was asking for my name, Cream, MM Cream. And nobody was telling, oh, no, such person is not existing here. So he got pissed off. So the composing was delayed for 1 hour. The security people were not allowing him to see. Nobody, Cream. Finally, he could find me and he came to know about, they call me Keravani there. Also, he happened to know that I am called Maragatamani for Tamil and Malayalam. So he was angry with me and he was complaining. क्या तुम भगवान समझते हो? ये कितने नाम? MM Cream, Maragatamani, Keravani, क्या समझते हैं? Are you feeling like God? Why are you having these many names? Afterwards, he was joking, but he was a very, very nice gentleman. Right. I'm missing him very much. Nida Fazli Saab, because when I worked with Tanuja Chandra, we used to pull his legs because he's very calm and he's very cool.
Yes, wonderful.
We cut jokes, very, very kind-hearted.
Oh.
Nida Fazli Saab.
And what a writer!
He gave me a beautiful lyric. दुश्मनी होगी किसी से या मोहब्बत होगी जिंदगी है तो सहारे की जरूरत होगी but after some time everybody will go from your life because time is like that.
Right.
But these songs will remain.
Yes.
But these songs are going to be your friends. You have to live with the songs thinking of your old days and all. I think I'm playing your part in the show.
You have to end with my end line.
What?
There is a line with which I end every episode.
Yeah.
I want you to say it this time.
Okay. Dare to dream, dare to love.
चुप तुम रहो, चुप हम रहे, चुप तुम रहो, चुप हम रहे, खामोशी को खामोशी से जिंदगी को जिंदगी से बात करने दो.
चुप तुम रहो, चुप हम रहे, चुप तुम रहो, चुप हम रहे, खामोशी को खामोशी से जिंदगी को जिंदगी से बात करने दो.
चुप तुम रहो, चुप हम रहे,
चुप तुम रहो.
आँखों में खो जाए आँखें, बोले हाथ से हाथ. आँखों में खो जाए आँखें, बोले हाथ से हाथ.
बाहों में छुपकर सांसों से जैसे डोले रात. उंगलियों से मौसमों को शौकियों से बात करने दो.
तुम रहो, चुप हम रहे,
खामोशी को खामोशी से जिंदगी को जिंदगी से बात करने दो. चुप तुम
रहो चुप हम रहें,
चुप तुम रहो।
होठों पर होठों से लिखे बिन शब्दों के गीत, होठों पर होठों से लिखे बिन शब्दों के गीत।
धरती से अंबर तक गूंजे जिस्मों का संगीत, बेखुदी को बेखुदी से आशिकी को आशिकी से बात करने दो।
चुप तुम रहो चुप हम रहें,
चुप तुम रहो चुप हम रहें,
चुप तुम रहो चुप
हम रहें, चुप तुम रहो चुप
हम रहें, चुप तुम रहो
हम रहें,
तुम रहो।
तुम रहो।
You were listening to Ria's Retro, only on Ghana.